Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point, the Toyota 1.6 Vvti and 1.0 Vvti engines are popular choices in various Toyota models, especially in markets outside of North America. They are part of the ZR engine family, which was introduced in 2007 as a replacement for the older ZZ series engines. These engines are known for their balance of efficiency, reliability, and sufficient power for everyday driving in compact and mid-size vehicles. Engine overview and history. Both the 1.0 Vvti and 1.0 Vvti are 1.6-liter, 1,598 cubic centimeters, inline, for gasoline engines. They share a lightweight aluminum alloy cylinder block and DOHC, dual overhead camshaft, cylinder head with 16 valves. A key feature for both is the inclusion of dual VVTi, variable valve timing with intelligence, on both intake and exhaust camshafts, which optimizes valve timing for improved performance and fuel economy across different RPMs. They also utilize a timing chain for valve actuation. The primary difference lies in the FA variant. 1.0 Vvti. This is the standard version, featuring dual VVTi and electronic fuel injection. It was first introduced in models like the Toyota Corolla and Auris. 1.0 Vvti. This variant adds Valvematic technology to the dual VVTi system. Valvematic is Toyota's continuously variable valve lift system, which controls the amount of intake valve lift and duration. This allows for more precise control of the air-fuel mixture, eliminating the need for a traditional throttle body and further enhancing fuel efficiency, reducing emissions, and improving throttle response. The 1.0 Vvti typically has a slightly higher compression ratio, e.g., 10.7 to 1 versus 10.2 to 1 for the Vvti, and produces a bit more power and torque. It appeared in models like later Corollas, Auris, Avensis, and Verso. The ZR engine family, including the 1.0, 2.0, 1.8L, and 3.0, 2.0L, was developed to offer modern performance, efficiency, and lower emissions, succeeding the ZZ series that had some notable oil consumption issues. Applications. Toyota Corolla, various generations, particularly E140, E150, E180. Toyota Auris, E150, E180 generations. Toyota Avensis, T270 generation. Toyota Verso. Toyota Matrix in some markets. Lotus Elise, some 1.0 Vvti variants. Opinions and review. Both the 1.0 Vvti and 1.0 Vvti are generally considered reliable workhorses. They provide a smooth and comfortable driving experience, especially in urban and suburban settings. Owners often praise their fuel efficiency and low running costs. While not high-performance engines, they deliver adequate power for the vehicles they equip, making them a balanced choice for daily commuting and family use. The 1.0 Vvti, with its Valvematic system, is often seen as a more refined and efficient option. Advantages: excellent fuel economy, a key strength for both, particularly the 1.0 Vvti with Valvematic, due to advanced valve timing and efficient combustion. Reliability and durability. These engines uphold Toyota's reputation for longevity. With proper maintenance, they can easily reach high mileage, 250,000 kilometers / 150,000 miles and beyond, with minimal issues. Timing chain. Uses a timing chain, which is designed to last the life of the engine, significantly reducing maintenance costs compared to timing belts. Dual VVTi. Contributes to a broad power band and good responsiveness. Refinement, especially FA the 1.0 Vvti with Valvematic, generally offers smoother operation and better throttle response than the Vvti variant. Low emissions, designed to meet stringent international emission standards. Disadvantages: limited power. For drivers seeking strong acceleration or performance, the 1.6 displacement, even with VVTi/Valvematic, can feel underpowered, especially in heavier cars or during aggressive highway overtaking. Noise at high RPMs. When pushed hard, the engine can become somewhat noisy and less refined, particularly the 1ZR FE, compared to larger or more premium engines. Valvematic complexity. 1ZR FE, while beneficial, the Valvematic system adds complexity, potentially leading to more expensive repairs if an issue arises with the valve lift control mechanism, though reports of widespread issues are not common. Carbon buildup. 1ZR FE less common, while the 1ZR FE's Valvematic system helps optimize combustion. As a direct descendant of engines optimized for efficiency, some reports of carbon buildup on intake valves exist, though it is not as prevalent or severe as in some other direct injection-only engines. Common faults and breakdowns. Despite their overall reliability, a few issues have been reported. Oil consumption. Some early modifications of the 1ZR FE, and less commonly the 1ZR FE, have been noted for increased oil consumption, similar to its predecessors, the ZZ series. This is often linked to piston ring design or poor maintenance. Regular oil level checks are crucial. Timing chain noise. At higher mileages, some engines may develop a rattling noise from the timing chain, indicating wear in the chain, tensioner, or guides. While designed for life, these components can wear over time. EGR valve issues. The exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, valve can sometimes cause issues, leading to rough idling or a loss of performance if it becomes clogged or malfunctions. Injector issues. Early models, there was a service bulletin for specific production numbers up to March 2016 for 1ZR-FE/FAE and other ZR engines regarding an unsatisfactory design of the injectors that could cause faults requiring replacement. Water pump leaks, a common wear item on many engines. The water pump can develop leaks over time. Fuel consumption. The 1ZR engines are quite fuel efficient for their class. Real-world figures vary depending on the vehicle, transmission, manual or CVT, and driving style. 1ZR FE, e.g., Toyota Corolla 1.6 combined fuel consumption is often reported in the range of 6.5 to 7.5 L/100 km, 31 to 36 mpg US/38 to 43 mpg UK. 1ZR FAE, e.g., Toyota Corolla 1.6 Valvematic. Thanks to Valvematic, it can be even more efficient, with combined figures often around 6.0 to 7.0 L/100 km, 34 to 39 mpg US/40 to 47 mpg UK. Some Sprint-monitored DE data shows even lower averages, e.g., 6.52 L/100 km for a 1ZR FE Corolla. Timing. Both the 1ZR FE and 1ZR FAE engines use a timing chain. This is a significant advantage, as timing chains are generally designed to last the lifetime of the engine and do not require scheduled replacement like timing belts. This reduces maintenance costs and is a strong point for long-term ownership. Oil. Recommended engine oil. Toyota typically recommends using 0W, 20, 5W, 20, 5W, 30, or 10W, 30 multi-grade engine oil for the 1ZR FE/FAE, depending on the climate and specific model year. For optimal fuel economy and cold start protection, especially in newer models, 0W, 20 or 5W, 20 full synthetic is often preferred. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and up-to-date recommendation. Engine oil capacity. The oil capacity is typically around 4.2 to 4.7 liters, 4.4 to 5.0 US quarts, with a filter change. It's crucial to refer to your owner's manual for the exact capacity and to always check the dipstick after filling. Versions. Within the 1ZR designation, the main versions are 1ZR FE, standard dual VVTi, port injection. 1ZR FE, dual VVTi with Valvematic technology, port injection. These are part of the larger Toyota ZR engine family. The 1ZR engines are a testament to Toyota's focus on efficient and reliable naturally aspirated powertrains for the mass market, offering a sensible and economical choice for a wide range of drivers. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone and see you in the next episode. See you soon.